So we continue exercise 6.4 and we'll see question number third part of question number first. This is 0.6 under root of 0.6. So we have to select two values, x and delta x. So the nearby value near to 0.6, which is a perfect value, perfect square. So this will be 0.64. 0.64. So let x equals to 0.64. Now we have to find delta x. So since 0.64 is greater than 0.6, 0.64 is greater than 0.6, therefore delta x must be negative. The value of delta x must be negative and it would be minus of 0.04. How to get? So subtract 0.64 from 0.6, we get minus of 0.04. This is the value of delta x. Now we have to write the function fx equals to, there is a square root, so under root of x. Next step, we have to write down the formula f of x plus delta x equals to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x, and name it first number equation. Now we have to find the value of fx. So f of x, and x we have taken 0.64, and the value of fx is root over x, means root over the value of x is taken 0.64, and 0.64, the square root of 0.64 is 0.8. So the value of fx comes to be 0.8. Now we find f dash x. So f dash x is 1 by 2 root x, and put the value of x. So 1 by 2 root. The value of x is 0.64. So 1 by 2 into its square root is 0.8. So 1 upon 2 into 0.8 means 1 upon 1.6. 1 upon 1.6, and remove the decimal. So we get 10 by 60. The value of f dash x is 10 by 60. Now from first, f of x plus delta x equals to f of x. The value of f of x is 0.8 plus f dash x is 10 by 16, and delta x is minus of 0.04. So remove the decimal, we get 8 by 10 plus 10 by 16, and plus minus it becomes minus 10 by 16 into 0.04. So remove the decimal from here also, so it becomes 4 by 100, and we get 8 into 2, 5 2 ja 10, 8 2 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, and 25 ja 100, means 8 by 10 minus 1 by 40. LCM taken 40, 10 4 ja 40, 8 into 4, 32 minus 1, and we get 31 by 40. 31 by 40, and we divide 31 by 40. So 0.8 it goes by 7 to 80. Again it goes by 7 to 80 and by 5. So the result is 0.775. So this is the approx value of 0.775. Next question is fourth part, 0.009 raised to the power 1 by 3. 0.009 raised to the power 1 by 3. So we have to select the value of x and the value of delta x. The value of x near to 0.009, which has a perfect value. Here is cube root. तो 0.009 के नियर बाय कौन सी वैल्यू है जिसका क्यूब रूट पॉसिबल है? सो देयर इज अ वैल्यू ऑफ x 0.008 which cube root is possible, which cube root is 0.2. Then the value of delta x. Since x is less than 0.009 given function, x is less than that function, therefore the value of delta x will be positive. So 0.001. How to find? So we subtract 0.008 from 0.009. We get the value of delta x. Now we have to write the function. So f of x is written. We have to take it x and there is cube root. So we will write the power 1 by 3. X raised to the power 1 by 3. Then we have to write the formula. So f of x plus delta x equals to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. The formula which we have written. Now we have to find the value of fx and the value of f dash x. So f of x is calculated by putting the value of x in the function. So x raised to the power 1 by 3 and the value of x is 0.008 and raised to the power 1 by 3. 0.008 raised to the power 1 by 3. So it will be 0.2. 0.008 raised to the power 1 by 3 and this comes to be 0.8. Now we have to find f dash x. So f dash x differentiated on the form x raised to the power 1 by 3. So n into x raised to the power n minus 1. 1 by 3 minus 1. We get minus 2 by 3. And this can be written as positive indices. 1 by 3 and x raised to the power plus 2 by 3. Now again we put the value of x. So 1 by 3 and the value of x 0.008 and raised to the power 2 by 3. Then 1 by 3 0.008 can be written as 0.2 raised to the power 3, 0.2 raised to the power 3 and the whole raised to the power 2 by 3. 0.008 can be written as 0.2 raised to the power 3 and whole raised to the power 2 by 3, 3 and 3 gets cancelled, and it comes to be 1 upon 3 into 0.2 the whole square, which is 0.04, and then remove the decimal point. So at the numerator place there comes to be 100 upon 3 into 4, and it gives 25, 4 is 100, means 25 by 3. So we get the value of f dash x. The value of f dash x comes to be 25 by 3. Now from first, f of x plus delta x, f of x plus delta x, the value of fx we have calculated 0.3, 0.2 and 0.2 is written as 2 by 10 plus f dash x, the value of f dash x comes to be 25 by 3 into delta x, which is 0.001. So we write 2 by 10 plus 25 by 3 into, this can be written as 1 upon 1000, and we get 25, 4 is 100, means 40. So 2 by 10 plus 1 by 40 into 3, 120, LCM is taken 120, it gives 12, 10 is 120, and 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, and 24 plus 1, this is 25 upon 120, and 5, 5 is 25, and 24, 5 is 120. So we get the value 5 by 24. The value 5 by 24. Now 5 by 24. So 5 divided by 24, taking point, 24 2 is 48, it comes 2 and 0, then we put 0, again 0, and 24 8 is 190. After decimal 3 places comes, so the result is 0.208. 0.208. This is the answer of this question. Now the next question. This is fifth part. The fifth part. And the question is 0.999, 0.999, 0.999, and whole raised to the power 1 by 10. 10 through 1 by 10. So we have to select the value of x and delta x. So the value near to 0.999, the value near to 0.999, which 10th root is possible. So none other than 1. The value of x will be 1, because 1 raised to the power 1 by 10 is 1. Anything power of 1 is 1. And the value of x we have taken is more than 0.999. So the value of delta x must be negative. And it gives this minus this, minus 0.001. So the value of delta x comes to be minus 0.001. Why it comes minus? Because the value of x we have chosen is greater than the function 0.999. Then we have to assume the function f of x equals to, let it x raised to the power 1 by 10. Then we write the formula f of x plus delta x equals to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Name it first number equation. We calculate the value of fx. So the value of fx is x raised to the power 1 by 10, and the value of x we have taken 1. So 1 raised to the power 1 by 10, this is equals to 1. Now for finding f dash x, differentiate on the form x raised to the power n. So n into x raised to the power n minus 1, 1 by 10 minus 1, and this is minus 9 by 10, which can also be written as 1 by 10 and x raised to the power plus 9 by 10 when it comes at denominator place, and the value of x is 1. So 1 by 10 into 1 raised to the power 9 by 10, which is again 1, so it gives 1 by 10. The value of f dash x comes to be 1 by 10. Then put the value in equation number 1 from first. So f of x plus delta x, the value of fx we have calculated 1 plus f dash x is 1 by 10, and the value of delta x is minus of 0.001. So we get 1 plus minus minus, remove the decimal, so 1 upon 10 into 1 and triple 0. So 1 minus 1 upon 10,000, and 10,000 minus 1. 10,000 minus 1 is 4 times of 9 upon 10,000. 10,000 minus 1, it gives 4 times of 9 upon 10,000, and this gives 0.999. So this is the result, 0.999. 0.999. Now for part 6, 15 raised to the power 1 by 4. 15 raised to the power 1 by 4. So we have to choose the value of x. The value of x nearby 15, which has 4th root. So x would be 16, because 4th root of 16 is possible. 16 raised to the power 1 by 4, 16 is written as 2 raised to the power 4, 1 by 4, 4 it gives. So 4th root of 16 is a perfect number. So x equals to 16, and delta x will be negative because 16 is greater than 15. So the value of delta x will be minus of 1. 15 minus 16, the value of delta x comes to be minus of 1. Now we assume the function f of x equals to x raised to the power 1 by 4. Then write the formula f of x plus delta x equals to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Now we calculate the value of f of x, which is x raised to the power 1 by 4, and the value of x is 16. So 16 raised to the power 1 by 4, and 16 is written as 2 raised to the power 4 whole raised to the power 1 by 4. We get 2. And name it first number equation. Now we find f dash x. So f dash x is n into x raised to the power n minus 1. 1 by 4 minus 1 means minus 3 by 4. Means 1 by 4 x raised to the power 3 by 4. Put the value of x. The value of x we have taken 16. So 16 raised to the power 3 by 4. So 1 by 4, 16 can be written 2 raised to the power 4 whole raised to the power 3 by 4. 4 and 4 cancelled. So 1 by 4 into 2 raised to the power 3, we get 8, means 1 by 32. This is the value of f dash x. Now from first, f of x plus delta x equals to f of x. The value of f of x is 2, and f dash x 1 by 32, and delta x, which is minus 1. So we get 2 minus 1 by 32, and 32 into 2, 64. 64 minus 1, 63. So 63 by 32. We get 63 by 32. Now divide 63 by 32. It goes by 1. 0.0 again goes by 9. 0, it goes by 6. It goes by 220, again it goes by 6. So 1.966. 0, 28, 20, 198, 220. So 1.966. 1.966. This is the approx value. 63 by 32, it goes by 1. 31.0. This goes by 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 92. 280. It goes by 8. So 1.968. The approx value is 1.968. The next question, question number we have seen. Question number 9 to 6, we have 15 raised to the power 1 by 4. 7 is same, 8 is same, 9 is also same. We will see question number 9. Question number 9. Ninth part of question number first. This is 82 raised to the power 1 by 4. 82 raised to the power 1 by 4. So the value of x we have to suppose. So the value of x near to 82, whose fourth root is possible. So x would be 81. Its fourth root is possible. The value of x is 81 and the value of delta x will be 1. 82 minus 81, we get 1. Now write the formula. F, assume the function. So f of x equals to x raised to the power 1 by 4. Then write the formula. F of x plus delta x equals to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Name it first number equation. We have to calculate fx. Put the value of x equals to 81. So 81 raised to the power 1 by 4. 81 is written as 3 raised to the power 4. 4 raised to the power 1 by 4. It gives the value as 3. Now we calculate f dash x. So 1 by 4 into x raised to the power 1 by 4 minus 1, which is minus 3 by 4, which is written as 1 by 4 x raised to the power 3 by 4, and the value of x is taken 81. So 81 raised to the power 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 into 81 is written as 3 raised to the power 4 and whole raised to the power 3 by 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So 1 by 4 into 3 raised to the power 3. This is 27 and 1 upon 108. We get the value of f dash x 1 upon 108. Now from equation number first. So f of x plus delta x equals to f of x. The value of f of x we calculated. This is 3. F of x is 3 plus f dash x we have calculated 1 upon 108 into delta x. The value of delta x is 1. So we get 3 plus 1 upon 108, taking LCM. There comes to be 324 plus 1 means 325 upon 108. 325 divided by 108. 325. It goes by 3. 324. 0.000, then again 0. Now it goes by 8. 8 into 8, 64. 6 carry. 6, 8. 6 plus 4. 3.008. It goes by 9. 9, 8 plus 72, 7, 9. So the result is 3.009. So this is the approx value of 82 raised to the power 1 by 4, which is equals to 3.009.